Here's what moved markets today.
Germany's DAX and the S&P 500 reached new record highs on Friday, despite reports of a setback in Iran negotiations. The equity market strength occurred alongside the geopolitical development, suggesting limited near-term market sensitivity to the specific diplomatic setback. BIP-110, a proposed Bitcoin protocol change, saw its minority chain mine only 2 blocks over 8 hours before activity stalled, indicating minimal network support for the fork. The outcome reflects limited adoption of the proposed change relative to the dominant chain. The Senate postponed the Clarity Act cloture vote to September 15th, with prediction market pricing implying approximately 21% probability of passage this year. The delayed timeline and declining implied odds reflect market participants' updated assessment of the legislation's near-term prospects. German officials are reportedly considering support for Bundesbank President Joachim Nagel's candidacy for the European Central Bank presidency, according to reports. Nagel has previously expressed critical views on Bitcoin, adding a notable dimension to the potential nomination discussions. Cryptocurrency exchange Backpack launched a tokenized representation of Take-Two Interactive stock on the Solana blockchain, structured as redeemable one-to-one with the underlying shares. The product launch occurs ahead of the company's planned November release of a major video game title. Security researcher Christopher Smith, founder of Quantus, stated that an initial successful quantum computing attack against cryptographic systems would likely be indistinguishable from conventional private key theft. The assessment reflects ongoing industry discussion around detection challenges for emerging quantum-related security threats to blockchain infrastructure. Looking at this morning's price action as of 9:15 Central European Time, the market shows extraordinary positive asymmetry, driven by a significant single-name move. NIL up 20.68%, continuing its established pattern of outsized moves seen repeatedly this quarter, alongside Pudgy Penguins adding 6.63% and Eigenlayer gaining 5.81%. On the downside, Swarm leads decliners at 11.55%, with Algorand off 5.17% and IOTA declining 3.14%. Double-digit selling in decentralized storage infrastructure, alongside more modest weakness in smart contract and IoT-focused protocols. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index rises to 41, climbing 2 points from yesterday's 39 and crossing into neutral territory for the first time since mid-May. The move above the 40 threshold breaks the pattern of repeated failed attempts observed throughout the recovery period, where the index reached 38 and 39 on multiple occasions before retreating back into fear. The breakthrough occurs alongside today's positive market structure, where NIL's exceptional 20% gain and broader constructive conditions contributed to the sentiment shift. The move represents the culmination of the gradual recovery that began with the extreme fear reading of 16 in early July, having progressed through repeated consolidation in the 33 to 39 range before finally establishing position above the neutral boundary.